Hi guys, so I miss you all. Wow, it's 11:11 and there are two significant events today. So ito yung Shopee Day 11:11, so maraming discount. And at the same time, sabi nila, today daw ay Singles Day. So hello sa mga single dyan. Sana happy kayo ngayon, no? And para maging happy kayo at hindi kayo lonely, aralin na lang natin itong next lesson. Okay, about differentiation. So, previously, ang inaral natin sa differentiation is differentiation of algebraic functions. And ano yung mga algebraic functions natin? Yun yung mga x squared, 2x, ganon, di ba? Yung mga quadratic equation, quadratic functions, ganon lang. So, very simple. Ngayon, um, iano naman natin ang differentiation of logarithmic functions, yung mga transcendental functions na to class. So, meron tayong logarithmic functions, exponential functions, and then the trigonometric functions. But for this video, aralin natin ang differentiation of logarithmic functions. And dalawa lang naman to. Okay? Yung log natin at saka yung ln natin or the natural logarithm. So, dalawa lang yung formula natin dito. Okay? Pero ang importante dito is memorize nyo yung mga properties ng logarithm tsaka natural logarithm. Okay? So, so the the derivative of logarithm of u to the base b, okay, is equal daw class sa 1 all over yung function u natin times the logarithm of e to the base b and then times derivative of your function u with respect to x. Okay? And then yung pangalawa, okay, this is the first. Okay, and then yung second one is the derivative of ln of u. Okay, ano daw yung derivative ng ln of u natin, class? So itong u natin is a function na differentiable with respect to x. Okay, so that is 1 all over u times yung derivative of your function u with respect to x. So saan nakuha itong ln of u, by the way, class? So kung gagamitin natin yung ln of u, class, yung first natin, parang dito siya nanggaling. Given class is y equals logarithm of u to the base e. Okay? So pag kinuha natin yung derivative ng class, dy with over dx, that is, ano ang u natin? Diba? Ano ang derivative ng logarithm of u to the base is, diba ito, class? 1 all over u. So 1 all over yung u pa rin. Okay? Logarithm of e, ano yung base natin is e to the base e. Okay? Times derivative of u all over x. Diba, class, ang logarithm of e to the base e, itong log e na to, mapapalitan ng ln, magiging ln of e. Kaya magiging 1 over u ln of e times du all over dx. And sa properties ulit, class, ng natural logarithm, okay, ang ln of e is equal to 1. Kaya ito, class, is equal to 1 lang. Kaya yan ay derivative ni y all over dx is equal to 1 all over u times the derivative ni u all over dx. Dito siya na-derive, class, yung second formula natin. Okay? So, kung itong first formula lang ang alam mo, mabubuhay ka na kahit hindi mo alam tong derivative ni ln of u. Pero better if alam mo tong derivative ni ln of u kasi madalis lang naman siyang i-memorize. 1 all over u times the derivative of u all over the derivative of u with respect to your x. Okay? Let's solve some examples para ma-appreciate nyo. This one. Okay. So, first, we have y equals the logarithm of 4x plus 3 to the base 5. So, recall tayo. Palitan ko lang itong ballpen ko. Red. Okay. Let's have a recall. Ano ang derivative na ulit ni y? Ay, ni logarithm. So, the derivative of the logarithm, class, is y prime ni logarithm is equal to logarithm, okay? Balikan mo ulit yan. That is 1 all over u 1 all over u times the logarithm of e to the base b times the derivative of u all over with respect to your x. Kaya yan yung ating y prime sa logarithm. So dito class, ang base ko, okay, i-write ko muna, ang base ko ay 5. Okay? And then ang u ko dyan is 4x plus 3. Nakuha? 4x plus 3. And ang derivative ni u with respect to x is, ano yan class? Derivative of 4x plus 3, 4. Okay? Okay, so ang y prime natin dito is equal to 1 over u, 1 all over, ano yung u natin? 4x plus 3 times logarithm of e, ano yung base na, ay yung b natin, 5, so it's to the base 5, times derivative of u with respect to x, that is 4. Then, if you're going to simplify, so y prime, or that is the dy all over dx, so y prime now is 4 times the logarithm of e to the base 5, okay, that is times all over 4x plus 3. Okay, so that is the answer for this. Nakuha? Okay, let's have another example. This one. Logarithm of 2 square root of 2x plus 5. Gamit tayo ng ibang color ng ballpen. Anong gusto nyo? Sige. Itong dark green. Let's try dark green. Okay. So, recall tayo ulit. The logarithm of y is equal to 1 all over u times the logarithm of e to the base b times the derivative of your u with respect to x. Okay? So that is the logarithm of, that is the derivative of logarithm. So here class, sir, wala akong b. Di ba automatic yan pag walang base, that is to the base 10. And if it is to the base 10, hindi na kailangang isulat. Di ba? So ang u ko dito class is square root ni 2x plus 5. And then ang derivative ni u class with respect to x is, okay, di ba? Kung gagamitin mo na yung shortcut natin dito class, that is equal to 1 all over square root ni 2x plus 5. Or, sige, ipakita natin yung long method natin. Diba that is u equals 2x plus 5 raised to 1 half. Diba? So, ang derivative ni u with respect to x is baba, copy the base, minus 1, that is negative 1 half. Derivative ni base, itong 2x plus 5 natin is 2. So, that will give us, may iwan to sa taas, so 2. And then, 1 times 1 half, so over 2. Then, itong base natin, negative exponent, so pupunta siya sa baba para maging positive siya. So, that is equal to square root of 2x plus 5. Cancel, cancel. So, ang maiwan is 1 all over 2x plus 5. Tama ba? Okay, that's for our letter U. And then ang B natin is yung tension on it for us to write. So how are we going to write the derivative of this? So dy all over dx now is equal to 1 all over u. So this 1 all over the square root of 2x plus 5 times the logarithm of e. Diba? Logarithm of e times the derivative of u with respect to x. So, meron tayong nakuha that is 1 all over. So, hirap. Ganyan. 1 all over the square root of 2x plus 5. Or, that is equal to 1 times logarithm of e times 1. So, that is logarithm of e all over square root of 2x plus 5 times the square root of 2x plus 5. Di ba parang yan plus is square root of m times the square root of m. Parang m raised to 1 half times m raised to 1 half. Loss of exponents, same base. Different exponents or same base. When we multiply, we just add the exponents. Di ba? M 1 half plus 1 half, or that is equal to 1 m raised to 1. So magiging square root of 2x plus 5 times the square root of 2x plus 5, matatanggal lang si square root, so that is equal to 2x plus 5. So that is the answer, dy all over dx. Okay. Do we have alternative solution for that? We have class. Ganito ang gawin nyo class. Kung alam nyo yung mga loss of exponents, you can apply it. Okay? You can apply the loss of exponents. So, ano yung mga loss of exponents natin? Ay, wait lang. I need to charge the battery savers on. Ano na siya, nagre-remind na siya. Okay? So, yung sinasabi kong alternative is that, if you know the loss of exponent, ay itong logarithm natin, di ba that one class, we can write that one as, di ba parang y equals log of 2x plus 5 raised to 1 half. And we can write that one as y equals 1 half logarithm of 2x plus 5. So, magiging dy all over dx natin is equal to 1 half times now the derivative of your logarithm of 2x plus 5. And that is equal to 1 all over u. So, ang u mo na ngayon ay 2x plus 5 times the logarithm of e to the base b. Ang base b natin is 10. So, no need to write. And then, the derivative of your u 2x plus 5 with respect to x, that is 2. Tama ba? So, times 2. Okay, cancel yung 2 natin. So that is dy all over dx is equal to log of e all over 2x plus 5. And parehas lang sila. Okay? They are just the same. So, any solution naman ako. Okay, ito naman natural logarithm. Okay, recall tayo dun sa formula ng derivative ng natural logarithm natin. Diba that is equal to y prime equals 1 all over u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay? So, ang u natin dito is 2x plus 1. So, ang u mo dyan is 2x plus 1. And then the derivative of your u with respect to x. Ano ang derivative ni 2x plus 1? I know. Ang buong u natin dito class is ito, ln of ito yon, that one. So that is up to raise to the fourth power. Okay? Ang u natin is 2x plus 1 raised to the fourth power. So if you're going to get the derivative of this, baba, copy the base. Kaya huwag niyong kalimutan yung basics ng differentiation nyo kasi paulit-ulit yan na gagamitin natin. Okay? Plus 1 minus 1, so that is 3. Then derivative of your base, 2x plus 1, that is 2. Okay? And that will give us 8 times 2x plus 1 raised to 3. So if you're going to solve for the derivative of that class, so dy all over dx, 1 all over u. So that is 1 all over u. Anong u natin? That is 2x plus 1 raised to the fourth power times 8. Okay, derivative ng u daw. Times 2x plus 1 raised to 3. Tama? So if we're going to simplify this one, ito, makancel, mabawasan ng tatlo yung exponent natin, and that will give us 8 all over 2x plus 1. Okay. So, what if gamitin natin yung properties ni ln sa exponents? Class, di ba ang ln of a to the b is equal to b ln of a. Ibababa mo si exponent. So we can rewrite that one class as y equals 4 ln of 2x plus 1. So ang u ko na ngayon dito ay si 2x plus 1, which is mas mabilis na siya i-derive. So magiging dy all over dx natin is equal to 4 times derivative of ln of 2x plus 1. So that is 1 all over u. Ang u natin is 2x plus 1. So that is 2x plus 1 times the derivative of your u, which is 2x plus 1, that is 2. Okay, 4 times 2, that is 8. 8 all over 2x plus 1. And they are just the same. So, kung ano yung feel nyo na mas madali sa inyo, pwedeng yun ang gamitin ninyo. So it's up to you kung anong solution ang gusto nyong gamitin. Okay? Ito. Beautiful yung given natin. So, magiging masyadong complicated yung solution natin if gagamitin natin class na ang u natin is the square root of x plus 4 all over x minus 4. So that would give us parang 1 all over u. So 1 all over the square root of x plus 4 over x minus 4. Diba? Parang magiging ganon. So i-apply natin class yung properties ng ating natural logarithm. So, di ba class, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung exponential rule niya, ln of a to the b is equal to b ln of a. Or ibaba mo si exponent and then magiging multiplier na lang siya ni ln of a. Ang ln of AB, okay, that multiplication class, no, ln A times B is just equal to ln A plus ln B. Paano pag division? Ln of A all over B, that is just equal to ln of A minus ln of B. Okay? So, don't forget that one. These are basics class, no? So, i-apply natin dito sa ating solution para mas mapapadali. Diba class, this can be rewritten as y ln of your x plus 4 all over x minus 4 raised to 1 half. So, I can rewrite that one class as your 1 half ln of x plus 4 all over x minus 4. Kung makikita mo class, ang ln of x plus 4 over x minus 4, diba? Ang fraction siya. You have a numerator and then the denominator and pasok siya dito class. Diba? Na ln A all over B, that is just equal to ln of A minus ln of B. So magiging y equals 1 half times ln of your numerator x plus 4 minus the ln of your denominator x minus 4. Okay? And then, i-derive na natin siya. 'Di ba? Pag nag-derive tayo ng ganito, yung anong tawag doon, yung additive property natin noon, okay? Yung i-derive po natin tong term na to, then another term, and then we multiply it to 1 half. 'Di ba? So derivative of y with respect to x now is 1 half times the derivative of ln of x plus 4. So, ang ln of x plus 4, diba, 1 all over u. So, that is 1 over x plus 4 times derivative ni u with respect to x. So, derivative ni x plus 4 is equal to 1. So, times 1. Hindi ko na isusulat. Okay, minus derivative naman ni ln of x minus 4, that is 1 all over x minus 4 times the derivative of x minus 4 is still 1. Okay? And then we simplify this one. Ituloy ko na lang dito. Okay. 1 half times common denominator x plus 4 times x minus 4. X plus 4 times x minus 4 divided by x plus 4, may maiwan na, x minus 4 times 1, so x minus 4 minus, don't forget the bracket, x plus 4 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 4, may maiiwan na x plus 4 times 1, so maging x plus 4. Okay? So, tuloy ko dito sa right side. So, magiging dy all over dx now is equal to 1 half times x minus 4. So, distribute ko si negative sign. Minus x minus 4 all over x plus 4, x minus 4. Diba ito class is yung x plus 4 mo times x minus 4, di ba parang a plus b times a minus b, wherein that is equal to a squared minus b squared. So, square ko sa first term, so maging x squared minus square ko sa 4, that is 16. So, maging x squared minus 16. And then, x minus x is maka-cancel out. This one, maka-cancel out yan. And then, negative 4 minus 4, that is negative 8. Tama? And negative 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4. Okay? So, magiging dy all over dx natin is equal to negative 4 all over x squared minus 16. So, that is the derivative of this one. Now, class, pag hindi mo gamay ang mga to, hindi mo alam yung properties ng natural logarithm, ay mahihirapan ka talaga. Magiging complicated ang iyong solution. So, there are advantages. Dapat alam mo tong mga laws ni natural logarithm, yung mga properties niya. Okay? Last example, so we have your y ln of 4x. So dito class, ang magiging u mo yung nasa loob. So ang u ko dyan is ln of 4x. And ano ang derivative ni u ni ln of 4x? So ln of 4x, nadoble siya. So that is still ln. So 1 over u times derivative ni u niya is 4x. Ano ang derivative ni 4x? Ay 1 over u is 4x. Ang u nyo is 4x. Okay? Draw. That is 1 all over 4x. And then derivative ni u, that is 4. So that is equal to 1 all over x. Diba? So, ln of 4x, that is, ang u mo dyan is ln of 4x. So, magiging derivative of y with respect to x now is 1 all over u. That is ln of 4x. Okay? Times derivative ng u with respect to x is 1 all over x. Okay? So, that is 1 all over x. So, if we're going to simplify it, by the way, ln of 4x times x hindi po equal sa ln of 4x squared. Okay? Ito ay magiging multiplier, ililipat mo siya dun. Okay? Kaya magiging that is equal to x ln of 4x. So, magiging 1 all over x ln of 4x. So, that is your dy all over dx. Okay? So, that's all for our logarithmic and the differentiations of logarithmic functions. I will upload more examples later on. So, just watch out sa ating mga next videos. Once again, Happy Singles Day. Bye-bye!